Welcome or welcome back on C Square. In this video clip, we're going to talk about long division of polynomials. So in this two problem, we have two polynomials. The first one is x squared minus 3x minus 40, and we're going to divide it by x plus 5. So there you go. We're going to do the division like you used to do the division, long division for real numbers. And the same story, we can use a kind of a guess and check. What times x is x squared? And obviously that will be x. And now we're going to do the multiplication. X times x is x squared. And x times 5 is 5x. Like in long division for real number, the next thing we need to do is to subtract them. Okay, and if these two terms cancel, then you did a wonderful job. In this case, they cancel, and here we have negative 3x minus positive 5x. That will be negative 8x. And then we drop down negative 40. And now the same story, we can use a guess and check. What times x is negative 8x? Negative 8. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. And again, don't forget, subtracting is the next step. And we get a remainder of 0. So the answer for this division is x minus 8, which should tells you that this problem can be done by factoring also. Pause this video clip and try number 26. If you get the result x plus 3 on that division, then you did a wonderful job. Yes, another good example of long division process where the remainder is 0. Factoring also will work here if you want to use that technique. Let's take a look to number 27 here. Now we have a cubic, but the process is the same. And again, guess and check. What times x is x cubed? That will be x squared. And then we're going to multiply x squared times x, x cubed, x squared times negative 1, negative x squared. We're going to subtract them. And the x cubed cancel out. And we have 3x squared minus negative x squared. That will be positive 4x squared. And we drop the others, negative x and 2. And then we're going to multiply by 4. 4x in fact. 4x times x, 4x squared. 4x times negative 1, negative 4x. And again, we subtract them. And we have negative x minus negative 4x. That will be positive 3x plus 2. Drop the 2. And the last step here, we gotta add 3, right? Because 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 1 or negative 1, negative 3. And this is the first case where we have remainder 2 minus negative 3. I'm sorry, it's positive 5. Remainder is 5. So the answer for this problem will be x squared plus 4x plus 3 plus that remainder over the polynomial you divide by. Pause this video clip and try number 28, please. So if you end up with x squared plus 2x plus 5, then you did a wonderful job. You see, in this case, the remainder is 0. Let's take a look to two more example. I'm going to do 29. Okay, so now the same technique. What times x is 2x cubed, and that will be 2x squared. 2x squared times x, 2x cubed, obviously. 2x squared times negative 4, negative 8x squared. And again, these two guys cancel out, and you have negative 3x squared minus negative 8x squared. That will be positive 5x squared minus 18x minus 8. And 5x, right? 5x here. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times negative 4, negative 20x. And again, these two guys cancel out, and we have negative 18 minus negative 20. That will be positive 2x minus 8. And a last step here, we're gonna add 2, right? Because 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 4, negative 8. And again, another case where the remainder is 0, it goes evenly into the original polynomial. The answer for this problem is 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Pause the video clip and try number 30, please. If you end up with this answer, 3x squared plus 3x plus 3, you did a wonderful job. Again, it goes evenly, x plus 2 goes evenly in the original polynomial. And now let's see these cases. Okay, And you're gonna see they work similar. Couple things that I would like you to pay attention. You see here we have x to the 4th power, and then we don't have an x cube. You're gonna have to put an x cube over 0. 0x cubed plus 3x squared. Again, you don't have the x term, but you're gonna put 0x and plus 1. And here we have x squared minus 2x plus 3. So again, don't forget, if you do not have the you have missing terms, add them over 0 in front. Okay, it helps you to do the subtraction. And the same story here. What times x squared is x to the 4th power? That will be x squared. X squared times x squared, x to the 4th power. Then x squared times negative 2x, negative 2x cubed. And x squared times 3x times 3 is 3x squared. Okay, and now again the same thing, subtraction. These two guys cancel out. Here we have 0x cubed minus negative 2x cubed. That will be positive 2x cubed. And here this guy also cancel out. But let's put it as a 0x squared plus 0x plus 1. And now what times x squared is 2x cubed? That will be positive 2x. 2x times x squared, 2x cubed. 2x times negative 2x, negative 4x squared. 2x times 3, positive 6x. And subtracting, we cancel out these two guys. Here we have 0x squared minus negative 4x squared. That will be positive 4x squared. Here we have 0x minus positive 6x, negative 6x plus 1. And the last step here, what times x squared is going to be 4x squared, and that will be 4. So 4 times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times negative 2x, negative 8x. And 4 times 3, 12. These two guys cancel out. Negative 6x minus negative 8x, positive 2x. 1 minus 12, negative 11. So the answer of this problem will be x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus, don't forget about that remainder, in this case 2x minus 11, over what you divide by, which is that quadratic. Okay. Pause this video clip and try number 32. If you have this answer, then you did a wonderful job. Just to point a couple things. X minus 1 squared is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then after that is the same story. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button down right and come back on C-Square for more math video clip.